Look at this 2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This Tundra 4WD truck has just under 17,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Tundra 4WD truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include AM/FM stereo. Call 877-799-2119 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.